A sales area is the physical location of the club where a sale takes place, but can also be used for virtual areas such as administration. Once a sales area has been set up, it can be used in many places throughout Jonas. Let's take a look at all of these available areas. Note that some of these areas may not be applicable to your club. If you make a change in any of these areas, don't forget to press OK afterwards to save your changes. First, we'll start with point of sale system setups, which include the following programs. For sales categories, you can link the sales area in the prep printing, general ledger, tax overrides, inventory overrides, and account reporting groups tabs. New sales areas will need to be linked if any overrides are needed after their creation. For sales items, you can use the special pricing section if this item has different prices for different sales areas. Use the inventory section to link sales items to SKUs in other inventory areas when sold in other POS sales areas. And grid pricing to set up special pricing by times and days of the week for sales items in different POS sales areas. Apply grid pricing to multiple items. You can select all areas, a range of areas, or selected areas to apply special pricing to multiple sales items by times and days of the week. Design area toolbar, where you can define what will display within the top toolbar of the POS screen for each POS sales area. Design area layout, where you can define how your physical areas are set up for each POS sales area, including tables, bar seating, and more. Set up item countdown, where you can link sales item specials in each POS sales area to set quantity countdowns. And set up online ordering outlets, where you can control what sales areas are linked to the online ordering module. Then we have point of sale administration, which includes the following programs. For terminal setup, you can set your POS terminal to reside in a sales area. Use the Restrict to Sales Area field to control how or if users of this terminal can move around to see other sales areas. Your options include: you have 00, which is no restrictions, and can be used if this workstation needs to see chits from other areas. This workstation will be able to access all chits from workstations that are also set to no restrictions, but will not be able to access chits from workstations that are restricted to their own sales area. 1 to 98, which is a user-defined area if this workstation should only see chits from its own area. Or 99, override any restriction, which allows this workstation to access all chits regardless of restrictions. You can enable Select Sales Area at start of chit to force your servers on this workstation to pick a sales area at the start of a chit. If enabled, you can use this Restrict To button to define specific sales area, the max of 20, which this terminal can select from before starting a chit or opening an existing chit. Member info on POS. Here you can select what member information you want to have appear on the POS screen by sales area. Messages to put on chits. You can set a message to appear on chits defined by the sales area. Lastly, we have club management, club setup, item groups, where you can link an item group over to the sales area.